Okay, I want to ask you some question. Please answer my question. What is your name?
My name is Kalista Dominic Nuhain.
Okay, good. Where do you live?
I live in Andrekam.
Okay, good. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay. Where do you go to school?
I go to school at SMP 1 Andrekam.
Okay. What class are you in?
I am class 7.
Okay, good. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing badminton.
Okay, good. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay. How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
Okay, good. How many sisters do you have?
I have no sister.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Reni Handani.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Reni Tuwandi.